Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide trailing zeros on price in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. So we are going to hide zero with price. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now you see price 78.00 and then you see 24.56. So we are going to hide trailing zeros 0.00. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin and then you see add new plugin. So click on it. In search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to add filter WooCommerce price trim zeros. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see price 78.00 remove. Again you see another price 24.56, only 0.00 trailing zero remove. Go to single product page. Now you see refresh the page. Again you see zero remove. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.